What's going on, guys? It's Vocaloid here, and today, I'm gonna say like happy holidays, guys, and yeah, like so happy holidays, guys, and yeah, like I'm glad like I get to like to say this to you guys. Like there'll be some, I will be like posting some gameplay, on my Xbox, and so yeah, I will be posting more. What was it? Okay, yeah, okay. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna upload more more pitch voice videos, like Recolor and pitch voice videos, and you guys want me like to play some good games on the Xbox, so let me know and I will get to that. And yeah, and like the rest of this video will be me recording on this day. So of us wrapping my parents on Christmas Day. So hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, so here it is. Alright, I'm here. Let's open some presents.
It's recording?
Yes, it's recording.
Okay, who's gonna start?
I think the boy should.
Okay. I don't even know if this is watch thoughts or
Yeah, it says your name on the thing gifts.
yeah, but it's Far Cry.
It's Far Cry.
Far Cry Pablo.
Oh, I will clap, but my legs are sleeping. No one dare touch it. I'll stay
Touch.
morning me.
I'm opening the other game.
Well, let's open the gifts.
Oh shoot.
Let me just open it.
Let's try for these sandals.
And that one's Watch Dogs 2.
Alright, Watch Dogs 2.
JJ, your turn.
Alright. Here, hold it for me, boy.
Here, hold it for me.
Alright then. Let's see.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see what we have here.
I got it.
Let's do this one first.
I actually forgot what that
I
was.
wonder if there's any surprise gifts.
Yeah, that was one.
No, I actually forgot what, it's the controller.
That says blue controller.
Open it. Open it.
We'll open it later.
Open it.
And that's okay, he got the game, the controller. Yay!
Another one.
These gifts are really well wrapped. Oh hell yeah! We got that Overwatch.
Oh yeah, I forgot we got Overwatch.
Okay, Junior.
Alright.
Don't choose what gifts I want to open.
This is one of the 2 gifts that you have.
Which one? What else do I have?
That's it.
This one's light.
This one's heavy.
Let's see. Okay. Let me see this one first.
Ahora te guardas que te tus padrinos. No vas a romper esta porque...
Okay.
Ya rompe el papel y
Oh, it's good paper. You guys say trees.
Stop, okay?
Okay. Okay. It's a box.
It says SP on it, Jern.
Yay, I got a box.
I got a box.
Congratulations.
Yay, you can do it.
I know, that's one of the good kinds.
Pero no me deja que te des para poner la camisa de mano.
Oh,
Here we go.
yes.
Well, I haven't opened it actually yet.
Well,
Should I open this one next, or you want to open one of those?
I say let him open the next one.
I'll open this one. I actually don't know. I think there's like a sword.
Come on, you already got it for crying out loud.
There's a mystery.
Clothes are old. Family stuff is always closed.
Ahí está, no trae. Te digo.
Switch.
Let him open.
I want to see him open his first. Open it.
If I can.
2 hours later.
We could.
Is that excited.
What's that?
Ooh.
Oh, check out that retro looking sweater. Wait, let me see the front.
Wait.
Es de frente.
Oh, here.
And that's a hoodie too.
Oh,
Ah, nice. Yay.
that's not very Christmassy.
Yeah, but it looks cool too.
Alright,
I can
turn.
press his
Alright, turn.
friends.
Your turn. Open that box. I never actually seen that one.
What about you?
Alright, he has 2 more gifts to open.
Okay then. This one's super light.
I know, what is it? I
I'm
never.
starting to wonder what it. I'm starting to wonder if it even is like a shirt or something.
I don't even know what it is.
Yeah, me neither.
Imagine like a bench, like it's a box and a box and a box.
Don't tell him what it is if you actually see something.
Let's see what this one is.
Oh, wow.
This one's from Macy's.
I think
That's-
it's shoes.
No, it's not. It's clothes. You gotta tell it's clothes.
Who'd like to be a pair of shoes? Let's see. What's this one?
What's this one? What do you think it is?
It's
¿Qué
a
es
sweater.
esto?
It's a sweater.
Oh, it's this sweater.
What is it?
It's the one that you wanted?
No, it's the one that that they got for me. Wasn't this from Kohl's? This one? Yeah, I remember because we made a trip to Kohl's. I think it was last week, and I saw the sweater and I liked it, and Mommy got it for me.
Did mommy open a present?
Es ok, yo lo voy a abrir porque
Amigo de
después si
sus
lo abro,
cats.
pero... Es ok, ahí nomás me lo dejo.
Okay.
Boo, you already used it already. Oh yeah, I just got that.
What is that?
Too harky.
Oh, cool. Is that for me?
No. Here, never go. Alright, open the other 2.
Open it. Open it.
Wow, that's going into the video now.
What is that?
It's a virtual reality headset.
Wait, what? Wait, you got that?
It's a different one. He got that one at Target.
Oh, cool.
The other one, he's gonna give it to his friend.
Sword
Well, I already
arts.
gave it to my friend.
Exactly.
That's so cool.
Unless you want to see this too. Okay, I see it. I already saw it, okay.
Uno arriba.
Alright, open that last one, Alex.
Okay. You're
Really?
still forgetting you
What's
said
this?
this. What's that?
Pro
Pretty
care?
sure it's not Pro Care.
Well, I don't even know what it is.
No es pero fue en la casa.
Why?
Porque se lo tocó uno que está ahí adentro.
Oh, right.
Oh, yeah. I forgot. I keep forgetting these gifts.
You better share one.
Hooray.
Share one.
Yeah,
You down to share one?
Ay, ahorita, ya acabaste de usarte para que uno...
Alright, no more. I'm sad. I only have 2. This guy has 5, and this guy only gets 2.
What about these presents?
They're from the neighbors.
I'm fully opening this one.
Oh, that's so cool.
I'm gonna test it out.
Well, this has been like a jolly Christmas.
No, ya,
Gracias,
no,
mi papi.
Vamos, vamos.